Well, if you've got any Veterans Day plans on the docket today, you should be in great shape across the tri-state. The weather should not be a factor. Here's some history about Veterans Day weather in Bowling Green. Warmest day was 80 in 1927, but the mercury fell to 19 on the morning of Veterans Day in 1960 and 1926. An inch and a half of rain 20 years ago on this day. And yeah, in just 5 years ago, we got over an inch of snow in Bowling Green. Now, thankfully, no snow in the forecast next 5 to 7 days. Unless you are a snow lover, I don't have any good news for you, unfortunately. The holidays will be here before you know it. Speaking of snow, we're just over 2 weeks away from Thanksgiving. Christmas is 44 days away. And yeah, we're going to kick off 2025 in just 51 days, wrapping up 2024 relatively quickly. Notice all the sunshine this week with the exception of Wednesday, as we are expecting a mostly cloudy, if not overcast day. As our next system will roll through here, that's going to be also our next best chance for a couple of showers to roll in here. But really, overall, a great day today in both Bowling Green and Owensboro. Only drawback would be a very slight chance this afternoon of a little bit of high-level cloudiness, clipping portions of the area. I think if you're west of Kentucky Lake, you should see widespread sunshine today. But maybe from that Henderson through Greenville and east area, that's where you could see a couple of passing clouds as our next front rolls through. And notice by tonight, winds are now out of the north. Behind that front, that will start to pull in much cooler air. Will be noticeably cooler tomorrow morning with a little bit more of a pronounced northeasterly flow. And that will really keep temperatures in check. By lunch tomorrow, only lower 50s for the most part. So you will definitely need that jacket tomorrow. Maybe a couple of afternoon high clouds. Other than that, lots of sunshine temperatures into the upper 60s, which is about 5 or 6 degrees above average for this time of the year across the entire tri-state area. And then tonight, rather seasonal, if not just a degree or two above average, lower 40s as opposed to upper 30s where we should be for this time of the year. Notice how quiet we are the rest of the week for the most part. Tuesday looking nice. Couple of showers get in here around sunset Wednesday, lasting probably into Thursday morning. And then the rest of the week looks quiet. Friday and Saturday, maybe a shower late Sunday.